A very hearty welcome to my channel Grow Joyfully. Today I am going to explain how I make Ghana Jeevamrita at home. Ghana Jeevamrita is an organic fertilizer rich in nitrogen. It boosts the microbial population in soil or in potting mix, and it's very appropriate for plants in their growth phase. Ghana Jeevamrita is a recipe formulated by Subhash Palekar who promoted the ZBNF, Zero Budget Natural Farming Practice. To prepare Ghana Jeevamrita, we need the following. We require 20 kg of fresh cow dung, the dung from the Indian Desi cows or the Nati cows. Jaggery 200 grams, gram flour or basin 200 grams, a handful of soil from farm or a handful of potting mix in the OTG context, and a small cup of cow urine or gomutra again from Nati cow in order to mix all the ingredients. I have given the proportion for 20 kgs of fresh cow dung. Depending upon the quantity of cow dung that you have, you please alter the other ingredients retaining the same proportion. Preparing Ghana Jeevamrita and mixing all the ingredients takes not more than 2 minutes. Add the flour, the grated jaggery and the soil to the fresh cow dung and mix thoroughly. I read that the powdered form of horse gram contains more proteins, so whenever possible I make powder using horse gram and I use it instead of gram flour. While mixing the ingredients, add the cow urine gradually. Do not pour it because excessive use of cow urine may result in the mix becoming very loose. Just add enough cow urine so that the consistency is like a cake dough or the chapati dough. Once you mix thoroughly for about 2 minutes from top to bottom, side to side, leave the mix covered with a newspaper for 24 to 48 hours in full shade. This allows for very good fermentation. In fact, during this period, I also mix the contents twice a day. After 48 hours, spread the mix on land or a plastic sheet or on newspaper. This is what I prefer because I prefer spreading on 2 layers of newspaper on my terrace. In order to dry the mix, you may make balls out of the mix or cakes. I prefer drying as cakes because it's easier for me to detect whether the cakes have dried or not. Drying in shade or partial shade is preferred. After a day or two, you may flip the cakes upside down during the day so that all particles get exposed to sunlight and they get dried up very well. In hot summer days in India, it takes hardly 3 to 4 days for the cakes to dry. In September or October, it may take about 7 to 10 days. Once the cakes are completely dried, you may collect them in a bag and store them as such. That's what I do. Or you may cut them into smaller pieces. If you have time, you can even powder them, store in a sack and keep in a cool, dry spot. The shelf life of Ghana Jeevamrita is 6 months. There are 2 ways in which Ghana Jeevamrita can be used in organic terrace gardening scenario. I add it to the potting mix, 2 or 3 cakes in a 20-liter paint container. And for the plants which are in their growth phase, I add it as a topping once a month, 1 cake per container. This is a very joyful biannual routine for me. I typically do twice, once in February-March period when it is very hot, and in October-November period once the monsoon rains have stopped. So for those who have access to native cow dung and native cow urine, this is a very simple, easy to make recipe. Your plants would love the nutrition that they get when you apply Ghana Jeevamrita, and they will respond with excellent growth and yield. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day.